Hi everyone, I'm Rohani Agarwal, co-founder of Include, a one-stop fashion destination for kids. Please welcome Dr. Madhumati Singh, a very famous psychologist with an experience of over 36 years in holistic psychotherapy. Doctor, welcome to the show.
Thank you. It's a pleasure to be here.
Thank you so much. Really excited to have a conversation with you here. So, Doctor, please tell us, how are we really expected to plan a pregnancy, or why is this planning stage so important in this journey of parenthood?
बहुत ज़्यादा ज़रूरी है रूहानी, वो इसलिए getting a partner is part of the premarital and then we say अरे I've arrived now, शादी हो गई, अब चलो सब सेट है. But हम कहते हैं ज़िंदगी के पड़ाव होते हैं important. So one of the पड़ाव्स, what we say is one of the milestones is, हम तीन basically बोलते हैं, the kind of career you have, the partner you get married and the parent you become. ये तीन चीज़ें होती हैं जो ज़िंदगी का लेखा जोखा बनाती हैं. So मेरे हिसाब से, in my understanding, it's part of the courtship period, by the way. Courtship period.
Wow.
वो 7 फेरों के बाद नहीं, उससे काफ़ी पहले. Where within the couple, it's important to explore each other, to be realistically aware of each other. होता क्या है, उल्टा ही होता है. कोर्टशिप में क्या होता है, वी पुट आवर बेस्ट फुट फॉरवर्ड. आज मूवी देखने चले हैं, आज कॉफ़ी पीने चलते हैं, आज तुम्हें शॉपिंग करवा लाऊं. दोज आर सुपरफ्लुअस, विच इज़ ओके. कोर्टशिप में वी पुट आवर बेस्ट फुट फॉरवर्ड, राइट. लेकिन पेरेंटिंग इज़ अ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट एलिमेंट. ज़रूरी नहीं कि आप शुरू में ही बात शुरू करो, बट इन कॉज ऑफ नोइंग ईच अदर दैट वी आर फ्यूचर पार्टनर्स टू ईच अदर, what do you think about being a parent? That's one. So the prep begins much earlier.
Wow. इतना नहीं सोचा था, to be very honest. But I get it. Right. So, डॉक्टर, काफ़ी बार सब डिस्कस करते हैं कि बहुत इम्पॉर्टेंट है ये जानना कि आप रेडी हो या नहीं बच्चा करने के लिए. आई अंडरस्टैंड आप पहले से डिसाइड, एक बार डिस्कशन इम्पॉर्टेंट है, एंड फॉर बोथ द पार्टनर्स टू बी ऑन द सेम पेज कि आगे जाके बच्चा करना है या नहीं. दो अगेन दोज प्रेफरेंसेस कैन चेंज ओवर टाइम, बट how does a couple decide, let's say, after the couple gets married, are we ready to have a child?
Yes, like I said, very importantly is the prep, which is much earlier. So it should not come as a surprise. In fact, part of the premarital counseling, Rohani, is कि अपना updated जो medical files हैं, वो ज़रूरी है. क्यों? क्योंकि primary infertility is one of the biggest reasons why more and more couples are having problems conceiving. So अब जब couple को पता ही नहीं है, तो उसमें वो जो precious time is lost. So it is part of, like I said, information giving. A lot of, some people ask me कि अरे ये तो बड़ी private matter है, पूछना चाहिए नहीं पूछना चाहिए. Private नहीं हो सकता जब दो लोग एक transparent partnership में हैं. देखिए, partnership तभी अच्छी होती है जब आपस की trust हो. कैसे trust होगा? When there is transparency. So some kind of medical interventions need to be done at the courtship period itself. Go and figure out your primary infertility factors. Then comes the second part, like you said, when is a couple ready to have a child? See, it all depends. More and more, I think, urban setup. You'll be surprised that unplanned pregnancy, India mein 50% of the pregnancies are unplanned. And you know why it happens? Because of lack of education. It's also lack of awareness of what we need to do in terms of planning to become a parent. वो बस हो जाता है. So coming back to when is a couple ready? There are basically 2 or 3 things which go into it. The first most important thing is finances. A lot of times both people may not be on the same page. Now, which is the same page is when 2 people have a point of view here and here, logic is negotiate and come halfway. That is what partnership is all about. एक पक्के तरीके से एक जवाब आपको नहीं मिलेगा. So जब हम partnership की बात करते हैं, तो उसमें अपने partner के साथ negotiable table पे रहिए. और ये अभी नहीं, this is for life. It cannot be my way or the highway or I know better. बिकॉज वो सारी चीज़ें आ जाती हैं ईगो प्रॉब्लम्स को लेके. सो पहला होता है फाइनेंसेस जी, वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. सेकेंड इज, आई वुडंट से इन दैट ऑर्डर, बट आई वुड से प्रोफेशनल ग्रोथ. अ लॉट ऑफ टाइम्स आई हैव सीन women, who are in their initial stages of work or reaching the middle management, they're going to get a promotion and they're saying कि अब तो नहीं होना है, हस्बैंड या इन लॉज का प्रेशर है कि भाई अभी होना है, लेट हो रहा है, तो इस केस में प्रेरोगेटिव किसका होना चाहिए? That has to be of the woman. And the reason being that the woman is the biological, she is the child bearer parent. So child bearing parent का prerogative होता ही होता है for a simple reason कि which we'll take up later, कि कैसे mother and father. So that is the second reason, second point. Again, negotiate. Be fair to each other. There's no such thing as winning an argument and losing because you are both playing a doubles match. आप एक ही टीम में हो. तीसरा पार्ट होता है support. Family / other tertiary support in terms of. ये तीन चीज़ें जब sorted होती हैं आपस में समझने की, तो I think they both look forward to having a child.
So doctor, आपने काफ़ी interesting aspects बताए in terms of readiness, right? And you know, given that I have been on this journey myself, and we also went through a planning stage, and काफ़ी different था, काफ़ी interesting भी था. So the co-founder in Include is my husband, Ashwin, and it was very different for us. In fact, you know, when we started on this journey, and given that you said right, कि courtship से ही start हो जाता है ये सब, I feel like things also change over time, right? Because when we had started, I was in a full-fledged corporate job and had a flourishing career. He was in a very different role, you know, had his own side hustle. And we had talked about keeping our journeys very distinct professionally. And एक thought आता था कि इसको अलग रखेंगे बिल्कुल, so that personally कोई चीज़ mix ना हो. And gradually, you know, after we got married, we kept on going. And eventually there came a moment when we decided कि साथ में करते हैं. And I think, you know, to your point, that it also depends on how emotional you get with each other or what kind of compatibility and relationship you develop over time. I think it happened. It was a risk. And it was a milestone, right? And as the relationship evolves over time, it so happened that we decided to work together. And now, you know, 2 years, 3 years hence, there's a new milestone that came. And when we started discussing that, ठीक है, अब बच्चा करना है, age हो रही है, and obviously, you know, we will discuss about that.
Yes.
Age हो रही है, but करना है बच्चा. And again, I think the single biggest factor, obviously, finances are there. But doctor, इसी में थोड़े emotional aspect के बारे में भी बात करते हैं. In fact, emotions से ज़्यादा apprehensions के बारे में. When couples come to you, what are the biggest fears they come with when they're planning, and how do you suggest them to tackle those?
Ruhani, most of the apprehensions are sorted and taken care of when you are under medical supervision. You have qualified, trained doctors with whom you are in touch. Because देखिए, ये एक medical aspect है और बहुत बड़ा ज़िंदगी का एक decision है. So अगर आप पूछें आप क्यों medical बोल रहे हैं, वो इसलिए कि जिन ladies को medical information नहीं है, that's why we say that you know, the incidence of MTP or abortions or unplanned pregnancies are generally happening in the rural areas. About 30%, 20% is in the urban area. क्या वजह है? Lack of information and knowledge. So basically under supervision of a medical doctors, that's the first thing which takes care of these uncalled for. You know, कुछ हो तो नहीं जाएगा, अच्छा जिम्मेदारी का काम है, ये मैं कर पाऊंगी नहीं, मुझे कोई physical problem तो नहीं होगी, etc., a lot of things. That's, so I'm talking about the medical part is taken care of. Now we're talking about the psychological apprehensions. देखिए, first time parent बनने में सबसे पहला challenge आता है, will I be a good parent?
Absolutely. मुझे है. Yeah.
Right? So ये जो चीज़ है ना, ये पहली चीज़ तो स्वाभाविक है. It's not something to feel challenged about. It's not something to, you know, badger yourself about. This apprehension is valid. For example, the first time pregnancies में जो चीज़ें होती हैं वो सेकेंड टाइम में नहीं होती हैं. फॉर एग्जाम्पल हर चीज़ में ना ओवर थिंकिंग, ओवर रीडिंग. देयर इज अभी तो आपका बेबी हुआ नहीं है, द फर्स्ट बेबी व्हेन इट हैपेंस, यू नो, थोड़ा सा छींकता, अरे इसको क्या हो गया, अरे भागो ये करो. सेकेंड चाइल्ड, अरे हो जाएगा, ठीक है, इट्स फाइन. इट्स पार्ट ऑफ बीइंग अ पेरेंट फॉर द फर्स्ट टाइम, विच मीन्स कुछ हद तक एप्रहेंशन जायज़ हैं, उनको आने दो. और वो कैसे चले जाएंगे व्हेन यू आर डीलिंग विद इट मेडिकली and, like I said, socially, financially. Majority of women have fears on what is the child like, is everything okay? Like I said, medically, in fact, now there are tests to, you know, you have your DNA tests which are there to ensure that you know, all the other, the birthing issues, जो medical issues होते हैं बच्चे के, you know, may not be a properly developed kid, वो सारे factors are preempted. So, like I said, apprehensions are more medical in nature. Once you know how to move forward, and the important part being, एक और important चीज़ है. Normally, but I must share this with you, very interesting case. There is this lady, same thing, young couple. She's professionally doing better than the husband, slightly better. और काफ़ी गो गेटर है और कहती है कि भाई बच्चा तो करना ही करना है बिकॉज सोशल प्रेशर्स एंड माई बॉडी, माई बायोलॉजिकल यू नो थिंग इज़, यू नो, वक्त जा रहा है. I am 30 something. So now is her anger towards her partner. कि यार तुम तो बड़े आराम से हो भैया, मेरी जिंदगी टॉपल होने वाली है. So now what happens is she would need to get into therapy, or it could be a support system, talking to somebody else. Basically saying that of course you're going to go through changes. Not your husband, you know, the husband is not the child bearing parent. So जिंदगी टॉपल. फिर वो कहती मुझे क्या मिलेगा इसमें. See,
correct.
What will I derive out of it?
Yeah.
It's a tough question. Now, so then she asked me, she says कि मुझे कैसे पता चले that I'm actually ready to be a mother?
Correct.
Because I really feel कि ये फालतू का काम है ये. मतलब why should I be put into it because everybody is supposed to be having a kid? I said, not at all. Everybody is not supposed to be having a kid. That means you have a conflict. It is not your partner. It is not the society. She says, yes, you're right, doc. I'm in a conflict कि बच्चे जब दिखते हैं तो हाँ होना तो चाहिए, लेकिन जब बच्चा वही रो रहा है या उसको मम्मी भाग के डॉक्टर के पास ले जा रही है, she says, यार क्या आफत है, या बच्चा रो रहा है. I said, you are in a conflict. And what happens then when you are in a conflict? Conflict is resolved when you take a paper pen. It's very easy. Is take a paper pen, the pros and cons. वो लेकिन डिसीजन आपको लेना. हमको क्या लगता है कि कॉन्फ्लिक्ट हमारा है और डिसीजन कोई और लेगा. नो, इट डजंट वर्क लाइक दैट. एंड देयर आर वुमेन एंड मेन हु विलफुली चूज नॉट टू हैव चिल्ड्रन, which is perfectly fine. It's a reality of life. So ये चीज़ again for the audience, you know, is कि ये कोई ऐसे नायाब क्रीचर नहीं है कि जी कोई औरत या आदमी बच्चा ना करना चाहे. It's not anything shocking. We are not living in the 1800s, 50s or 1900s. पहला तो ये पॉइंट है. सेकेंड, कॉन्फ्लिक्ट की वजह से होता है. और तीसरा पॉइंट ये है कि इट इज़ ट्रू दैट द फर्स्ट, I would say, a year and a half, till the time the kid is 1.5 years old, चलने फिरने लायक, तब तक ज़्यादातर जिम्मेदारी, 80% of the responsibility is on the mother. And I'm not saying responsibility, it is a default. It's a byproduct, no? एक चीज़ में से, अब मदर कैंगरू है, उसका पाउच है, उसी में बच्चा बैठा है, तो अब है तो बायोलॉजिकली है, क्योंकि माँ बच्चे को जन्म देती है, माँ ही बच्चे के साथ ज़्यादा टाइम स्पेंड करती है. उठना, जागना, बैठना, ब्रेस्ट फीडिंग, everything is happening. So what happens is, in fact, I must share this with you, very interesting thing happens, is that जितनी तैयारी लड़की को, तो लड़के को भी क्या तैयारी करनी चाहिए. अच्छा, ये तो एक अलग ही टॉपिक है. What do guys go through about when a woman decides to have a child? पता है उसको क्या लगता है? उसको लगता है abandonment. That, अरे this person was totally mine, is not my anymore. There's going to be somebody else who will share her. They actually go through abandonment issues. And I have, like I said, in therapy, we do talk about it. that they become जैसे कि कोई खो गया हो जैसे कोई person. You know, they feel कि अरे यार, because they are not able to relate to the first trimester, they are not able to relate. Now, what can be done? Let both the partners go through. अरे इतनी अच्छी अच्छी किताबें, illustrations वाली मोटी मोटी किताबें on pregnancies की होती हैं. अब हमारे टाइम में होता था, अब तो और अच्छी बुक्स हो गई होंगी. Let both the partners be aware of what changes happen, and it's a journey that both people have to live with.
Thanks a lot, Dr. Madhumati Singh, for your valuable insights.
Pleasure is mine, Rohani, and wish you good luck.
Thank you so much, Doctor.